Okay guys, now we go on to section 2, right? The smoke will come out of your ears, that is section 2. Okay, and when that smoke turns into blood, then this is section 3. Don't worry. The changing role of airports. What do you understand? Airports are the places where trains come and go. Thank you. See, look, no reaction. You have to be active and alert. Airport is a place where planes come, not the trains. Yes, हमारे तो train भी चलती है. Okay, not like that. So, changing role of airports means airports for some other purposes, not just for flights, for some other purposes, right? You know some other purposes that people go to airport, huh? Next is subheading. What is that? Airports continue to diversify their role in an effort to generate income. Now they will diversify their role. See, now there are banks at the airport, meeting facilities at the airport, shopping malls at the airport. At Lahore airport they are making a shopping mall. So whoever wants to do some shopping before going to another country, they can just do it there. So airports continue to diversify their role in an effort to generate income. Are business meeting facilities the next step? Now, by the way, Royal Palm has provided us this business meeting facility. This is what we call, they have auditoriums at the airport. You take a flight, you land in Lahore, and then there is the business meeting facility. You do a conference or seminar, and then you take a flight and go back. Okay, so we understand this passage is about changing roles of airport, and they will specifically talk about business meeting facility. Clear? Now we take a look at the questions. Wow, your favorite question, page number 165. Which paragraph contains the following information? Okay, questions 14 to 18. We have which paragraph contains the following information. Now please listen carefully. Whenever you get which paragraph contains the following information, read the questions first. Underline important clue words and keep those clue words in mind, but never start with which paragraph contains the following information. It will drain your brain. Number one. This question type will drain your brain. Number two, it may take a long time, because for 5 questions only you have to go through all the passage, complete passage, every corner of the passage. So that's why it's a good idea to read the questions, keep them in mind, do other questions. Wherever you find any clue, then you can answer that. Otherwise, you can do it at the end of that section when you are quite familiar with the passage. Now, let's just start with it, okay? And I give you some techniques, because for this you need scanning. For this question type you need scanning. Question number 14, please, everyone. Evidence that a significant number of airports. Now look here. Significant number of airports, they might use the word, they might use a number like 200 airports, 300 airports, 500 airports. Evidence that a significant number of airports provide meeting facility. Now look here, I give you a minute, go back, scan all the passage and look for number of airports. And then you got to see that they are planning to provide meeting facility. And one more thing, sorry. One more thing. First question when you are doing, it's a good idea to start which paragraph contains the following information from the last question. Start it from the last question and then search it from the first paragraph. But now we are starting it from question number 14. So you need to go back to paragraph H, G, F and E. Okay, scan these 4 paragraphs and then tell me in which paragraph you find number of airports and significant number. They might use percentage, number of airports and all that. Just go through paragraph E, F, G, H. Number with airports. And for significant, they might use a percentage or proportion or anything like that. Okay, so okay. Which paragraph? E. E for elephant. Well done. You can see there 154 airports and 68% of these answered yes to the question, does your airport own and have meeting facility? Is that clear? So for question number 14, the answer is E. And on the answer sheet, you will write capital E. Never write small letter, never write any small letter in listening and reading on the answer sheet. Okay, now let's do another one. You might be thinking it's so easy. Let's do another question. And by the way, these techniques only apply to some questions, not to all. Question number 15. A statement regarding the fact that no further developments, underline no further developments. Now, you need to look for some words which are for no further developments. No further development means it cannot be improved. Further improvement is impossible, or it has been tried to the limit. The word limit, tried to the limit means there is no room for improvement. Try it to the limit. So they say a statement regarding the fact that no further developments are possible in some areas of airport trade. Now scan and look for the word try to the limit, no improvement is possible, things like that. Now you got, and when you are scanning very fast. You're not reading, only you are looking. Your eyes are looking, you're not reading actually. You can go back to previous paragraphs also. Just try on page 163. I give you this clue. Page 163, there are 3 paragraphs only. Good. So, what is the answer? C. No. B. A. I'll tell you why. It's not A, it's B actually. The right answer is B. I tell you why. You can see here, second line. I'm reading second line. Paragraph B, second line. The merchandising space or expanding the variety of shopping opportunities have already been tried to their limit. Have already been tried to their limit means no further development is possible. So, for question number 15, B will be the right answer. Let's do one more question and I give you some more tips and techniques. Question number 16. Reference to the low level of income. Very simple. In a paragraph, they will talk about income, they will talk about revenue, they will talk about low level, or they will give you a meager amount. a very short amount, low level of income, they will say only $20,000, only $50,000, right? So reference to the low level of income that meeting facility produce for airports. Now go back, look for number, revenue, income, dollar sign, small amount, and they produced this, they took this income from the meeting facility. Again, all the paragraphs. You may mainly focus on page 164. I just tell you so that you do it. Got it? Very nice. Intelligent people, huh? So, what is the answer? G. G, Hanji. Good. Excellent. And how did you come to know? Yes, they use the word revenue and just 12,959. That means low level of income. So, you have to be doing IELTS, reading is like flying an aeroplane. You have to keep an eye on so many things. Flying an aeroplane is easier. Yeah, because it is on auto. I mean, only landing and taking off, that is manual. Otherwise, it's all auto. Yeah. Okay, no worries. Thank you.